Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can significantly enhance your home's safety, the Kidde 30CUD10 Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector 3-pack. We've provided a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Kidde 30CUD10 is a state-of-the-art smoke and carbon monoxide detector designed to keep your home safe from two of the most dangerous threats, fire and toxic gas. This 3-pack ensures that you have enough detectors to cover multiple rooms, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. One of the standout features of this model is its 2-in-1 detection capability. It utilizes advanced sensing technology that is not only effective in detecting smoke but also capable of identifying carbon monoxide. This dual functionality is crucial because carbon monoxide is often referred to as the silent killer. The Kidde 30CUD10 has been engineered for speed, boasting over 25% faster smoke detection compared to traditional models. You'll appreciate the red LED light that provides a clear visual notification of any danger, making it suitable for homes of all sizes. Another major benefit of this detector is its 10-year battery operation. The built-in battery powers the alarm continuously for a decade, eliminating the hassle of low battery chirps that can disrupt your peace. This feature alone can save you up to $40 over the life of the alarm, as you won't need to replace batteries annually. Plus, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty, giving you added peace of mind. One of the most frustrating aspects of smoke detectors can be false alarms, especially when you're cooking or using steam. The Kidde 30CUD10 addresses this issue with its advanced sensing technology that helps differentiate between real smoke and harmless steam or cooking odors. This means you can go about your daily activities without the constant worry of unnecessary alarms, all while maintaining quick and accurate detection when it truly matters. Safety is paramount, and the Kidde 30CUD10 has undergone rigorous testing to meet safety standards set by UL and FCC. This makes it a reliable choice for homeowners and professionals alike. Whether you're a property manager, contractor, or just someone who values home safety, this product meets those high standards for dependable, code-compliant detection. So, who is this product suitable for? The Kidde 30CUD10 is ideal for homeowners who want to ensure the safety of their families, as well as for property managers and contractors looking for reliable safety solutions for their properties. It's perfect for various living situations, whether it's an apartment, a single-family home, or even rental properties. In practical use cases, you can install these detectors in bedrooms, hallways, and living rooms to provide comprehensive coverage. Their sleek design allows them to blend into any home decor while remaining functional and effective. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.